Open up Chrome and search CTT tools and press enter and click on the first official site. Scroll down, copy this command and then go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Paste the command and press enter. To tweaks tab and select Standard and scroll down and select the Ultimate Performance Profile Enable. This is only for PC users and select Run Tweaks option. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type clean mgr and click on OK. Check all these boxes and select OK and select delete files. Go to search menu and type NVIDIA app. Click on open it. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available updates, then select the download option and install the latest available driver. And now our PC is ready to play games.